What's up, YouTube? Today I'm reinstalling the CAS module. I lost one of my keys, and the guy who said he can give me a new key, he needs this module. So I sent it to him. He's in New York. He programmed 2 new keys, the G series, and yeah, so let me go install it. All right, so this was a little hard to do and record, but what I did is I put back this one here, and obviously you could simply push this down and this will pop right out. But we don't want to do that. We're going to put it back. So that's on there tight. Put this one back on, same way. Push this down. This will go that way and it pops out. And then the third one. So, see that bolt right there? That's the only one that's holding the CAS module in. And yeah, it'll pop right out. Now the next thing I want to do is put this shield back on. All right, let's do this way. Hopefully I didn't flip it. So if this flips, then the airbag. The best way to do it is, so you got the airbag hooks on to these right here. This is a little difficult because if you put this on first, it's very difficult putting the airbag into these clips. These clips here slide into here. So now I'm going to put this back on. There's, I believe, 1 here screw, 2, and I think that's only 2 holding in, and the rest are just clamps. So hang on tight. All right, so here's what I did. Put everything back on. Airbag. There's 1 screw here, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one you take out last when you're dropping the plastic piece. But that's really about it. 4 screws. This part was a little difficult putting these, but it was easier when the plastic piece was hanging. And yeah, just clipped it back on. And there's 2 brackets right on the end here that just clips on and screws back on. So give it a try. The guy who tuned the key pretty much said to simply just put it against here. See that key emblem? Anyhow, put it there and start the car. Success. Worked out. So the car does have comfort access, which means if you press here, it should lock, unlock, so that works. There you go. There you go. Sweet, worked out. Let's see if it actually closes. No, it doesn't. Makes some noise, but yeah. Let's close this back up. Now I did the same exact thing for the second key. I turned off the car, took the key, put it by the that sign for the key on the actual steering wheel, and yeah, this worked out too. Okay. Let's try the emergency. Maybe the trunk has to be locked. Let's do that.